Balinese
Balinese
style.
style. With the garlic and olive oil. You wanna cook?
So do guests usually cook by themselves or they like usually order the meal? So what kind is like spicy sauce?
No, no. Yeah, just
You can try the taste. Crowding or
Yeah.
more like on this side. Is it okay or overcooked? Little bit overcooked.
yeah, you have to always try on.
Yes. Yes.
Tapi saya ada tuh.
Trái cây của vậy thì vẫn được vây dán. ก็เดียวเอาคุณมา
Jag får hålla sig.
ดูเถอะแล้วให้เราแซ่บแบบวันเด็กก็ทำเป็นฝันต้องแต่พอโยมทำเป็นฝันงั้นมีอะไรจะแสดงได้ไปเราโยมเนี่ยใช่ไหมทำแบบก็โยมหรอกเอาฉันแซ่บก็เป็นอย่างนั้น啊，不很简单啊，我以为你都熟悉的呀，你讲我都熟悉的。
就是越来越贵。这泰国人也少了噻。反正泰
你
便
去海
宜。
龟饭嘛？我买这个找你买。还谢谢西西的耍，当然还要回佛罗伦萨。我们这种我们住小生意，
那种小生意选择那种。
住干菜啊、建材啊那种的。
哦呀。我那这个跳。
啊，抖音。比如跳操，有些叫那个他的瑜伽服啊那些嘛。我就买了套那个，还60多，还多舒服的，我才晒了的。还有时候还带点蛋白粉啊，比如说维生素 C 啊。
Hello, morning. Good morning. Good. How are you? Thank you.
Together for the big breakfast.
Yeah.
For the
Yeah. Together.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
The chicken is very early, like maybe 4 a.m.
Yeah.
Go.
Oh, yeah, very neat. The 1 hour, 1 hour.
Do you guys get up early?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's very loud. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
This is for the omelette. So it is from the chicken. So like
Yeah, you can.
like this,
Oh,
or just like a wrap. Try.
inside the vegetable.
Like this. Like this. Yay. Okay, so this is okay. Oh. Like how? Oh. Oh. Give this 12. Still have to eat it. Try this one.
Yeah, enough.
This smells very good.
Yeah.
Flour. Okay, yeah, I think need your help. Whoa. Yeah.
Coffee and tea, right?
Yes. Thank you. It's ready.
Yeah, maybe. We check. Yeah, maybe.
Okay. 好鸡，我直接戴耳塞就没咋听到鸡叫。
我两个进来。
鸡叫在哪？
我们可以炒上去的，就是把底下那个土放上去，压底下是一个还是几面？
不是，我们要学会这个两下平衡的鼓，我要手只要至少学会那个距离这个，我们就可以很多人，我打一道，他都不
还有吗？
啊，除了他你可以他的他。
点它那个number one 那个猪肋骨。
Can we have a table for two? 这个是这个啊。这个看我们在控。Yes。
他们这排名第一次那个，好像是不是这个东西？
第一次烤肋排不是 ？Yes。Thank you。 数量大。Thank you。Thank you。
哎，我觉得这点盘蔬菜也多。拿车熟的，吃的。直接弄两片哦，来嘛，直接弄两片。他没有做过那个做手。是吧？这个没菜，这个叫。
这个海鲜不错。